Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to do a stop loss. So right now I'm running S&P 500 futures September 23rd contract. When you open your Ninja Trader on our charts, generally the way I have it set up is I have 1510 on my right side and 3020 on the left side. Normally I keep my control center open, so let's set that here, and this is my down window. So here right now my background color is bearish. It is bearish right here. Here's the problem. Right now my it's good for your disc. My 3020 is bearish, but my 1510 is bullish. So I'm just going to show you how to do a stop loss. I'm not going to show you how to use the chart reading properly. So right now, because you're supposed to be having, the problem is both charts are supposed to be synced in the same color, and then you can do a long or short in order to pick up a few points, because right now your 1510 is your entry and 3020 is your confirmation. So this is the midline. You can go ahead and right click and change the midline actual width. So width is 10. I've set it to 10. Generally it's 4 or 5 or 1 or whatever, right? So I like to keep it 10, that way you can see it. You can remove some indicators if you like. I don't recommend it. Everything that is happening here is a value. Upper band, lower band, mid band, large triggers, small triggers, magic band, moving averages. You have your Bollinger Bands, then you have white line, caution area, then you have the strength, buyers and seller, overbought, oversold, same thing on 30-20. So you have your sessions, value areas, everything you need to be able to, when you're experienced, you can do it. But at the beginning, I'm just gonna do a long here. So my long, I'm not doing a confirmation trade, so I'm just to show you how the stop loss works. So 43.75 is my entry, because it is, I'm just imagining right now that this is bullish as well. So this is against the rules. So both have to confirm in the same color. So I'm gonna go a long here, and you're not supposed to even go long here, because you see you have a lower high and a lower low. You're supposed to go long at higher high and higher low right here. This would be a perfect long position right here. So anyway, I'm gonna go along here. 44, so midline is 43.8325. so you can go here for 25 right here.
They're pending,
and then you go 3 points against it. So 83 minus 3 is 80. 80.25. I'm gonna go down to 12 ticks. I'm gonna put center click
pending,
and I've put a stop loss. So now my stop loss is set. Now I will be able to do this. So so in a long trade, you're predicting that price has to go up. So this is my limit order. Now I've secured myself. My account is not going to go empty. So 43.8025, and right here I can move this stop loss. So click on it.
Order filled.
That is wrong. Again, see, that's why you got to click very precisely.
Order cancelled.
Close everything. Close my order.
Order cancelled.
So this is my limit
Order
order,
pending.
and this is my stop.
Order pending.
In order to move the stop, you click on it, and you're gonna have a hand signal. See, if you left click by here, now you can move it. But instead of a right click, instead of center click, if you click left, it will fill your order, and you're gonna say what exactly happened. So this stop loss you should be able to do within chart as well. I like to do it within the chart. So use this called Chart Trader right beside it on top bar. So right here is your buy limit. See, buy limit at 43.83.
Order pending.
I'm gonna put a stop loss. So if the price drops more to, let's say, 80, I'll go 80 right here, and then you can sell stop limit at 43.8025. So that's a stop loss.
Order pending.
So I have a long order, and right away I have it. So this already did that in the bar. So my limit order is 43 83, and then your stop loss is 40, 80, 50. So some people like to do it in the DOM, but DOM is a little confusing. You should do it within the chart. So you can move your stop losses up and down right here, or you can bring it closer, and you can move your buy limit as well, all of that. So right now I like to do it right at the midline, like maybe one tick below the midline, and stop loss 3 points. So my right now I can confirm it that I have the limit 43, so I can move one more point down. So in case I'll move it to 80, 50. There you go. So right now is exactly, if I one more tick will bring me down to exactly. So now I have 3.5 points stop loss. You can move it, click on it, and move it with the hand. So here you don't have to worry about right click, left click, anything. So it's easier to do it within the chart, I believe. The DOM can be a little tricky if you're not sure about the DOM. Use the chart trader, much easier. You can move your limit order and you can move your stop loss. So hopefully that explains everything about setting a stop loss. Profit will take care of itself. So what in this case, because the background color is bullish, I'm saying pick me at 43.8325, and if the price drops to 43.81, I close my trade. So approximately from 3 points from the midline, it would close it. So right now I'm about to get picked up here. This is my limit order. You guys will see. And approximately now it should kick in. No, sometimes it takes a while.
Order filled.
Order filled. Now, if the price goes up, I am just gonna move my if the price goes up from here, of course I will be in, and then you can start moving this stop limit. So click on it, and then you can bring it close. There you go. Now stop automatically got moved. So best to use a stop limit. Just click on it, bring it down, click on it, bring it up. So use the chart trader. It's much easier. So now I can say, okay, if it gets to 43.82, that is my stop loss maximum. So, and then just as if it goes in profit, you can use it with your favor. So there you go. Hopefully that makes sense. So the price goes up, you just say, all right, I'm gonna move. This is called now same stop loss becomes profit trailing right here, and there you go. I've moved it up. So because there is no volume right now at this time, it's 9:48 p.m. Sunday evening. So best to do this on because then you'll get much faster volume is when during trading hours, normal hours. Market is open 23 hours a day, which is fine. Check out superareas.com to get your daily areas. You can and then go from there. So this is how you use a stop loss, chart trading stop loss right here. Just click and move. Much easier, much easier. It's like a piece of cake. You can't go wrong. There's no right click now, nor left click. If you use DOM, it can be tricky. Click, move, click. Stop loss happens with
order canceled. Order pending.
Center click, and if you accidentally click, then you're like, I'm stuck. So best just to use a chart trader. There you go. Move up, move down as much as you like. Now you can, let's maximize this. See? So now you can look. There you go. Move. Now I'm gonna, and you can cancel the stop loss right here.
Order canceled.
There you go. And you can even trade within it. So I'm gonna say, okay. I'm doing a short.
Order pending.
So I'll buy here. So let's buy it at 0. So all your trading can happen within the chart, guys. So, and then you can do all of this here. So best to do it here.
Order canceled.
So now I will have a stop loss. One quantity.
Pending.
Let me bring that. There you go. Now you can just move it. Now I'm in 1 point profit. We'll move that here. So as you see, I'm moving it. As it's moving, I'm moving. Now nobody can, now I'm above my price, nobody can take $12 from me. And I will move this up one above.
Order filled.
There you go, it get filled. So don't put it too close to the current price. It's like fire, it'll just quickly catch. At least take 2 or 3 ticks away. And that's how you should do it, guys. Take care.